Sinners turn, why will ye die? By Charles Wesley. Sinners turn, why will ye die? God your Maker asks you why. God who did your being give, made you with himself to live. He the fatal cause demands, as the work of his own hands. Why, ye thankless creatures, why will ye cross his love and die? Sinners, turn, why will ye die? The Son of God asks you why. He who did your souls retrieve, died himself, that ye might live. Will you let him die in vain? Crucify your Lord again? Why, ye ransomed sinners, why will you slight his grace and die? Dead already, dead within, spiritually dead in sin, dead to God while he you breathe, pine ye after second death? Will you still in sin remain, greedy of eternal pain? O ye dying sinners, why will you forever die?